Hey guys, sorry that I haven't really been able to record today. Anyway, so I did not scam PENGUNBRO1 and he spelled it wrong. Oh, oops. Anyway, he said that I scammed his long black like a few days ago, and I haven't been able to record about this. And I didn't. He traded me it. Also report. So I think he just did it to cause some mischief, but it was really mean. It made this person record that. Oops. So he I wasn't trust trading. I don't want to trust trade. He traded it for something on my list. I think it was another caller. I don't know why. I think it was just to cause mischief. She recorded about it, and I told her that I didn't scam him. And she's just like, oh, and then she doesn't even take the thing off, which is really mean. I mean, this game's getting kind of boring, and it seems like all it's about now is trading and rares and glitch strings, which is pretty stupid. Anyway, yeah, I really didn't scam him. Yeah, it's pretty unfair. You might, there's a lot of people that, do think that you scammed people, like, they're easy, or they're easily tricked. They easily believe someone when it's a lie. Just don't do this. It's really mean. I'm not sure if I'll be recording for a while, just to think about becoming a non-member, because that's kind of what I want to do. Animal Jam isn't very fun anymore. I know some people that do really care that it's not fun anymore. Like, Liberty actually made a video about hate on here, which was really nice. So yeah. Please subscribe, like, or comment. Bye.